Yeah, fuck, Blake's standing out there. What are you worried about me for?
Hey, who's gonna do the gay laugh?
Holy shit!
We need to. Blake needs to have a beer in his hand. Run back with a beer in his hand.
Down orderly call on us.
Come on, midget. Make Poppy proud. Think I'm far enough away and not get shrapnel in my teeth.
Charlie, damn it!
Oh God. Okay.